In this video, I want to show you how you can sell a 3D model as an NFT inside Openc. So we are going to get through all the steps that you need to do to create a 3D model and set it up, upload it, and try to sell it as an NFT and start to earn Ethereum and cryptocurrency by doing some 3D crypto art. So let's go back. Now this is the final stage, so I will go back and show you all the steps. Now, first steps, I decided to do this video after I created another video about Openc and MetaMask. So you will need to create an Openc account and to have a MetaMask wallet. And we talked about that in a previous video guide. So just get into our channel here, search for MetaMask or Openc, and you will find the video guide, and it's pretty simple to do that. Once you have your account here, you can set up your page and the logo, and you can start to add collections. So you have my collections, and you're gonna have your personal space here, and you can see I've created one collection called JBD Art, and I've uploaded a file here, which is a really simple 3D object that I created with some open source software, and I will talk about this software in just a minute. Now, so you first set everything up here, and again, I show you how to do this in another video guide, and this time I just want to show you how you can sell the item and also how you can create a 3D model. So I wanted to create something authentic and unique. This is the main concept of the crypto art. So you need to develop something, and I wanted to do something not too difficult, real fast, but also not so common or not so stupid, let's say like this. So I did a kind of I took inspiration from an Italian artist which created this work of art here in the 1961. So it basically, well, I will not tell you anything, just look for it. It's kind of a also critic to the art business and things like that. So just give it a look if you don't know it yet. It's called the art. It's called Piero Manzoni. There it is, and you can just look for art. Well, I will type it here, merda d'artista. Okay, so it kind of it's kind of a conceptual art. So it's kind of you know, it wanted to place its art into a can, but that's you're gonna see it yourself. Okay, so you wanted to get inspiration from this because this is more like a conceptual art than actual art, basically. So well, what we need to upload a 3D model, it's these two types of format. You will need a GLB format or a Gltf format. These are the two formats that can be uploaded into Openc. So if I want to create another one, for example, I want to add a new item, you can see here all the formats and also the maximum size. And these are the two possible 3D formats right now. Maybe in the future they will change, but these are the ones that are used right now. So how can I create a 3D model with GLB or Gltf format? Pretty simple. You can use Blender, which is open source. So if you want to know more about how to install Blender, just search Blender into our YouTube channel. You will find a video guide on how to download and install Blender. And I will show you Blender right away. Now this is Blender, and this is the 3D model that I have been doing. Well, you can create here models. You can actually create more complex things. You can create characters. You can create, well, actually 3D work of art, really more complex and detailed than this one. Now this is just an example, but well, the important thing is you can also import from other software And in this case, I did this with another tool that I want to show you. But in the end, you can export from Blender into the there you go. You go File, Export, and search for Gltf. And this is the one that you want to export with. And this is my NFT art GLB format that I have actually uploaded into Openc. So let me show you back again here. Let's go back into Openc, and this is alright. So you click here, you can drag and drop it, or you can click here, browse your computer, and there's my GL file that I needed to upload. Okay, you can see that this here looks like a simple box, because in this visualization on Windows the texture don't appear, but here you can see there is textures also. Well, I didn't need this texture here, I just need one. So what's the texture in? It's basically an image that you apply on a simple 3D model. So you get these two types of digital contents. You have a texture and you have the actual 3D model. But when you export in Gltf, you're gonna find everything looking okay, like this one here. So the texture and the 3D model are united. So I want to show you again another tool that it's really useful to create and to work like with art in 3D, which is Armorpaint, and this is also totally free, yet open source. You can support them, and it works like Photoshop. You can start to add layers and paint on these. You can use a lot of tools here. In my case, I just wanted to apply some text. I wanted to do this really minimalistic and didn't want to make it too complex. I can also like blur things out here. I need to select the right. Well, this looks great also. I don't know, maybe I'll change it, I don't know. Okay, so you can really have fun with this application here. And this also, it's a little bit complex to install, but search for, again, Armorpaint install in our YouTube channel, and you will find actually a complete video guide on Armorpaint, so you can create really nice materials and textures. Well, this is what Armorpaint is about. It's about painting and using graphics and apply graphics and things like that. So it's not for modeling. If you want to model, you can use Blender, you can use other 3D tools, and again, you will find on the playlist page here all the English video courses about modeling or rendering and stuff like that. So you give it a look here. Okay, so let's get back into the collection page. So you first upload your model, then you give it the name. You can add an external link which would explain better your art and the description. You can also add this other stuff here like properties, levels, stats, or things like that. That can be part of your NFT. And that's basically it. So you saved the model here. You click on create. You're gonna save your 3D model or your NFT, and that's gonna appear in your collection. So as I show you before, let me show you again. So I want to duplicate this window here and show you the previous page here. So how do I get here? First of all, create my page, then create my collection, then upload my model, and then you have to wait just a little bit and it will appear here. It's like a store, it's like a art shop, something like that. It's gonna appear like a picture. You can also select a picture, a presentation image to show you your NFT. Okay, and then when this is appearing here in your collection page, again, you have to wait just a few minutes. You can click here, and then you can change here all the stuff. Okay, but if you want to sell this, now this is a bit tricky. You don't have to click on this edit, but you click directly on that image, and that's gonna bring you to the part where you can set the price and things like that. So be careful, and it's a little bit tricky, that part. Okay, so here we are. I'm now live with you. I'm just creating this NFT with you. So let's scroll down. I have the description here. I have also the description about the collection, and well, no offer yet. Yeah, this is basically page about the item here, but let's click on sell because everything there is good, so it's okay. Okay, now we can set a price, or we can set this to the highest bid, and this is also nice. And also group this item with others to sell, but no, let's get this one here. And also we can set a minimum bid, and we can use our cryptocurrency. In this case, I want to use the Ethereum, and to understand what the Ethereum price is, or the Ethereum value is, we can get into Coinbase, which is another application. Again, you will find a video guide about Coinbase. It's about buying and selling cryptocurrency. You can create an account here. You can also transfer funds from OpenSea to MetaMask, and from MetaMask to Coinbase, and then you can use them. You can change them into dollars or euros or other cryptocurrency. And you will find also a link up here to get your Coinbase, so that me and you can get rewarded together if you want to do Coinbase. Also, you will find in the information the link here, Coinbase. Okay, so let's see here in the Ethereum here. So, well, let's say I want to buy like $10 of Ethereum. Now this is the actual price. So I can set my starting point like from 0.00 something. So let's go back here and say, okay, my minimum bid will be 0.007. Okay, and this is gonna be Ethereum for me. And create a hidden limit by setting a reserve price. Yeah, okay, whatever. Expiration date. Your action will automatically end at this time, and the highest bidder will win. No need to cancel it. Let's select here never. An expiration date must be set for this type of. Okay, I need to set something here. Let's say 1 month. Okay, and instructions. OpenSea is decentralized. Okay. So, well, read all the instructions here. It's a little bit long, but basically this is the setup here. And also we have some fees to pay, which will be paid 2.5% to the OpenSea website and 10% to JBD Art, which is my collection. So I'm gonna pay these fees here to these other things. Well, you know, this part about the fees and the more like financial part, you have to take some time, you have to spend some time to understand it. You can also check here how the royalties work on OpenSea. There is a page here when it's gonna explain how to set up the percentage fee and how royalties works and so on. So just have a read to this page here on OpenSea selling. But this is just to show you the practice. So I just now want to post my listing, and it's asking me to initialize my account. Now, to initialize your account, you need to do some transactions. So basically, you can do like a free transaction here plus gas. So this is gonna be a pay amount, and keep this tab open while we wait for the blockchain to confirm your action. So you basically need to do some action or transaction with your MetaMask wallet. So if I open up MetaMask here from the extensions tabs, or it's gonna open automatically probably, or you can click here and open it up yourself. Okay, now it's gonna ask you to pay here this fee, which will be about $20, so 0.007, and it's about $20 of fee. So this is kind of a registration fee that you have to pay. And well, what you can do here again is check maybe the Ethereum. Let's say that you already own some Ethereum on the Coinbase platform, and you want to send this to the MetaMask wallet. Then you can do this maybe when the Ethereum is down. You can use this registration here when Ethereum is down if you want to just save some money, or you can do it anytime. So in my case, I just want to wait, but again, this is all the steps that you need to do. Once you finish this step here, your NFT, your work of art will be ready to be sold. And well, this is it for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe here and join also our channel. You can find also the links are here at the top right to support us with many different initiatives, and also with the store and the community page. And check our other video courses in the playlist, and videos, daily videos in the video page. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.